Hi guys, Majd from School of Biomedical Engineering, University Technology Malaysia is here with you. So today we're gonna talk about some strategies to find a job or internship through LinkedIn. So at this stage, we assume that you already have a complete profile and you have a good photo, attractive cover, full name, attractive headline. Don't put like looking for blah 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 because companies they want to know what you can add a value for their company, so you can put what is your like what are your strengths in this headline, the location where you want to take the internship, not the city where you are living right now, and you already either the job opportunity that you are open for a new opportunity and what type of opportunity you are open for, a little bit about you, a little bit like what do you like and what you are seeking for. You have attached your CV. You talk about your experience and what if you have any previous any previous experience and your task and your project, your education, your top courses, what you have achieved in your university. If there is any certificate online or not online, volunteer experience or any co-curriculum activities, you can add it here with some explanation what you have did, what you have done, and also for your skills. This is one of the most important one, because companies they are filtering the candidate through the skills. If you have worked with anybody in any project, you can ask for recommendation for them to evaluate you. Okay, now the first strategy to find an internship is to go for job. It's quite straightforward and click on search here. The location is Malaysia because I'm living here and I want to find internship here. So we can write here internship and you're gonna find all the internships. So how we can filter this? We can go for industry, and for example, my industry is medical devices, and we can go for hospital. So we're gonna find an internship in this industry in Malaysia. Okay, now there is another way is to delete this and to go for experience, select internship. Also, you're gonna find the same, almost the same result. So if we change the industry and we take, for example, software, we're also gonna find like an opportunity in software industry as an internship. We can delete this, no need for this one, and we click search again. Yeah, and we're gonna get like experience level, internship, and the industry, software, apply. Yeah, we're gonna get 105 result for internship in software in Malaysia, which is like there is a lot of opportunity you can apply for. This is one of the strategy, and applying through this one, it's like you are applying for the company main website, or like you are sending for HR's people, and there is a chance about 5 to 10% that your CV will be open because of the heavy load, and like HR people they are receiving hundreds of CV every day through this way. There is more effective way is to go for, come back to my profile, and I go for search and I select people. After I select people, I can write here, for example, HR, and I choose the location Malaysia, and industry medical device. So I have 466 people who are working as an HR in Malaysia in my industry. Also, we can add hospital. Oops. We have 1,200 people they are working in HR in my industry in Malaysia. So this maybe you can reach them more faster compared to their email or like the main HR, the HR email of the company. Also, you can write like talent acquisition. Yep, you can write talent acquisition. You're gonna find also people who are working in this talent acquisition, for example, in Smith and Nephew, and also try to find a company they are not exist in your university system. So in this way you are like the only one who is applying from your school to this company. So this company is not receiving a lot of CV from your university. So maybe your chance will be, you will increase your chance to let your CV will be opened. And this is like also a good strategy. But now we're gonna move to the most effective strategy, is to search for CTO. These people who will decide if you're gonna join the team or no. And they are like, because they are the manager, you can search for chief technical officer or manager. All of these people, they are working as a manager in Malaysia in medical device industry. You can contact with them, and now we're gonna mention how to contact them. This is just a way. And the last effective effective strategy is type hiring here. You're gonna see who is hiring from your industry in Malaysia, and you can just straightforward contact them. Now, how to contact with people in LinkedIn, and this is the most important one, and to not make a mistake. I just choose this profile randomly. This man, he is I think CTO. He is like Chief Innovation Officer in a company called iMagic in KL. It's an innovation research company. So how I can begin with the contact with them. So I click on connect. Don't click on send now, otherwise he will not accept, because he does not know you personally. So you have to add a note like, hi Stephen, yeah, Stephen, I am Majd, biomedical engineering student in, for example, UTM or University of Technology Malaysia. You can go through their website and choose like you have an inspirational journey in like working for giant companies, your experience in managing and technical role, and I would like to connect with you and keep learning from you. Just like praise them a little bit, like to let them accept the invitation. After they accept, you can like contact them and send a message like, I have experience in 1, 2, 3, and I would like, and I would be happy to hear to share with me something you can benefit me. And after like the third or the fourth message, you can send them like, currently I'm looking for summer internship. If you have any vacancy, please let me know. So this is like the most effective way to search for internship and job through LinkedIn. And there is some like videos in YouTube. There is a lot of videos in YouTube that they are talking about how to make CV, how to make LinkedIn profile, how to build a relationship with people. It's like dating actually, but it's like LinkedIn is more professional. And also, if there is like if there is some profile you are like you don't want to contact through message, you can contact through email. You can go for Google and write email hunting. And there is also hundreds of websites. You can just put the name of the person and the company where they are working, and they will give you their email. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. It depends. So finally, I will put in the description some videos link about how to, like this video, I use it personally to make my CV and my LinkedIn profile. Also, I would like to encourage you to follow this guy. He is like professional in applying for companies through building a relationship, like without applying online. He has really useful tips I used previously to catch my my internship position. So that's all from me. If you have anything, a question, you can put in the comment. Thank you so much.